In Birmingham on Tuesday, British business was on display. A convention center showroom full of everything from cars to drones. Spirits were high as pitches came from top levels of government.
For my plan for Britain is not just a plan to leave the EU, but a plan to build a stronger economy and a fairer society.
On day 2 of the Qatar-UK Business and Investment Forum, British firms highlighted investment-ready projects in areas like healthcare, sport, and cybersecurity. The first day of the forum, which had been held in London, saw Qatar announce a major investment of over $6 billion in the UK over the course of the next 3 to 5 years. The British government, which says it intends to create a global Britain after Brexit, is still working to convince citizens that Britain's economy can flourish after it leaves the EU. That's why Qatar's investment plans, announced the same week as Article 50 is to be triggered, comes as such a huge relief. Despite worries about what impact Brexit may have on the economy, the UK's Secretary for International Trade says he's optimistic.
Whatever the short-term distractions that may be faced, investors like the government of Qatar have been willing to take a long-term view of the UK economy. The fundamentals are strong. We remain a very attractive place for foreign direct investment. Last year was another record, and this year, fingers crossed.
For Qatar, which already has significant investments and owns much property in Great Britain, interest in the UK is nothing new. Qatar's Minister of Finance told us the UK will remain a preferred business destination.
And I think picking or choosing UK and especially London and Birmingham was not a coincidence. We know this is an area that we can really do more and strengthen the relation between the two countries.
Still, despite the upbeat mood surrounding this forum, academics say the British government has a lot more work to do to ensure Brexit will only cause a temporary period of uncertainty.
If we haven't worked out the intricacies of the regulatory environment, what is the trade and tariff barriers, how are we facilitating freer trade and freer movement of labour from different parts of the world and from Europe itself. If we haven't figured that out, the uncertainty will continue and inward investment will really decline, and that is of concern.
A concern that may not have been apparent during these 2 days, but will seemingly be sure to persist in many parts of Great Britain for some time yet to come. Mohammed, Jamjoom, Jazeera, Birmingham.